In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to copy your Valorant Crosshair to AimLab. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. AimLab does not offer a way to directly transfer your crosshair over from Valorant to AimLab, so you have two ways of copying your Valorant Crosshair. The simplest one is, within Valorant, take a screenshot of your crosshair and take away the background, so make it a PNG image of your crosshair. After you make a PNG image with no background of your crosshair, you can just import it into AimLab by using the custom create crosshair function in the settings. Besides this method, something else you can do is, within the same crosshair settings, you can import some settings from another crosshair you like, which is similar to your Valorant crosshair. Besides these two methods, like I said, you cannot directly transfer your Valorant crosshair to AimLab, so just do your best to make a copy of it using one of these two tools. I hope I was able to help you on how to copy your Valorant Crosshair to AimLab. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.